Welcome to Stat Plus, where we enable smarter conversations wherever you go. In today's video, let's talk about an idea that could transform India's farmlands and energy future. India's government rice stockpile has touched 60 million tons, with annual production expected to cross 150 million tons this year due to favorable monsoons. Given an annual domestic consumption of only 120 metric tons, the government is actively exploring avenues to manage this surplus through export channels and ethanol generation initiatives. India's rice cultivation spans an enormous 50 million hectares, that is 123.5 million acres, representing one of the world's largest agricultural footprints for a single crop. Due to this scale and consequent overproduction, farmers realize modest profits of 25,000 to 30,000 rupees per acre annually, necessitating continued government support through MSP based procurement to maintain rural livelihoods. What if there were a more transformative alternative? Consider converting just 1% of India's rice acreage into solar farms. This strategic shift could simultaneously address two critical challenges: enhancing farmer incomes currently sustained through excess procurement at MSP rates, and boosting clean energy's share in India's power mix, which remains below 30%. Consider the transformative potential of such conversion. With approximately 4 acres required per megawatt of solar capacity, this land could support 310 gigawatts of installed solar capacity and power generation of up to 460 terawatt hours annually. The key point to note is that these are open fields with no construction nearby, which means panels would capture sunlight even during early mornings and late evenings, when the sun is still visible from these fields. One of the challenges with renewable sources is their low availability. Most solar power is generated only during a limited window of the day, and storing this excess energy for later use remains prohibitively expensive. By expanding solar across India's vast agricultural lands, the scheme would improve intraday availability of solar energy, spreading generation across more hours and making the power mix more reliable. To further contextualize the impact, India's total electricity consumption stands at 1,900 terawatt hours annually. Thus, converting 1% of rice fields could fulfill up to 25% of India's entire electricity requirement. The investment required is approximately 4 to 5 crore rupees per megawatt, translating to 1 to 1.25 crore rupees per acre. While substantial, this highlights why innovative financing is crucial. Through land leasing arrangements, farmers could earn 40,000 to 50,000 rupees per acre annually without any investment, nearly double their rice cultivation income. Alternatively, with personal financing, the capital recovery period would span 8 to 10 years, after which farmers would enjoy sustained higher incomes. The environmental gains would be profound. Rice consumes an estimated 3,000 to 5,000 liters of water per kilogram produced. Repurposing even 1% of acreage would save billions of cubic meters of water annually, enough to meet the drinking water needs of tens of millions of Indians. Prioritizing high impact regions like Punjab, Haryana, and Delhi's hinterlands, where stubble burning creates severe air pollution, would further multiply the benefits. And beyond farmer incomes, such a shift would create tens of thousands of new operation and maintenance jobs in rural areas, while freeing the government from the burden of holding excess rice stockpiles. Now let's hear from you. Do you think the government should prioritize converting rice fields to solar farms instead of setting up dedicated solar parks? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this analysis insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to Stat Plus for more updates. Whether you're at work, school, the gym, or catching up with friends over coffee, our content empowers you to contribute meaningfully to conversations on a wide range of topics. Have better conversations wherever you go.